boneless chicken, fried rice, teriyaki, boneless spare ribs, chicken wings. I won't eat this because I really don't like these, but it came with it, so what can you say? Spare ribs. Good. Chicken wing, teriyaki, crab rangoons, or not crab rangoons, chicken fingers. Ooh, you dip the chicken fingers in the gravy from the eggplant. I love doing that. So good, right? Everybody likes that, don't they? Gravy. I quickly learn when I'm traveling. But they're okay. If I had some dip or something. I love sauces. Sauces, maybe more than food. See, not enough stuffing. Like me. I have enough stuffing, right? Do I? That's pretty good, actually. It's pretty rich. And there's chicken fingers, chicken wings, I mean. I mostly like to eat the skin. Chicken's pretty tasty on this though. Good flavor. A little dry. Uh-oh. I don't mind my messiness. I can do it faster that way. Oh wait. It's good. It's almost like a hibachi fried rice. Maybe they do it hibachi style. I don't know how they do it. Maybe that's always how they do it. I don't even know. I never made fried rice. I've only seen it done on the hibachi. So good. What you mix in with that gravy? Really good. Glad I got a lot of this.